kausapin na natin live via Zoom ay isang negosyante sa San Pedro, Laguna. Let's welcome Aimee Lorenzo. Hi, Aimee. Good morning. Aimee, paki-open ng mic. Hindi ka namin marinig.
Sorry. Good morning.
Hello, Aimee. Aimee, matagal ka na ba sumusunod sa ating program?
Yes.
Yes, maraming salamat. Anong negosyo mo?
We own a restaurant. Started during the pandemic as more on catering, serving companies, different companies, pharmaceutical companies.
Sige, what will be your question? Paano kita matutulungan?
Yon, since as mentioned earlier, we started more on corporate accounts, and then we opened a restaurant here in Pasita. My first question is, for a small restaurant business like us, which focuses on corporate accounts, which marketing strategy do you think will work for us, for our brand to be known more?
Oo, kasi para sa kaalaman ng karamihan, dalawa klase talaga negosyo na pwede mo i-set up. Number 1 is B2B and number 2 is B2C. Ang B2B po is business to business. Ang mga kliyente mo ay more of mga company, mga direct owners, 'di ba? Mga malalaking kumpanya. Ang pangalawa naman po is B2C. Ang B2C naman is business to consumer. Like for example, diretsa na yung tao ang magbabayad po sa inyo. Let's talk about muna advantages and disadvantages before we talk about kung paano tayo makaka-penetrate more effectively. Ang B2B maganda kasi nga package, 'di ba? Ang bilihan bulk, okay? Kasi kunyari parties, 'di ba? By hundreds, by thousands, no? And then ang kagandahan din, isa lang kausap mo, 'di ba? Hindi katulad ng mga B2C, in order for you to hundreds and thousands, individuals 'yan. However, Miss Aimee at lahat ng mga nakikinig dito, if you want to go into this type of business, pag nag B2B ka, okay kapatid, always remember, medyo kailangan malaki ang puhunan mo dito. Bakit mo kailangan na malaking puhunan? Kasi nga, syempre, aside from malaki yung order mo, minsan may terms. 'Di ba? Aimee, may terms ba minsan yung mga clients mo o wala?
Currently, wala. Via corporate card yung ginagamit nila to settle the payment to us. But recently, we have been getting inquiries if we are PhilJeps, meaning yung mga government accounts na yung nag-i-inquire sa amin. So we're currently exploring that. Ang terms, sinasabi nila mga 30-60 days.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, Aimee, na talagang medyo ingat-ingat lang kasi it all depends, 'di ba? Kasi sa B2C naman, ang advantage is cash. When you say cash, people pay cash and you will have cash flow. So ikaw mismo, before you even entertain that, napag-usapan na rin natin 'yan, do you want to get into that business na talagang maniningil ka? 'Di ba? The concern and the problem is, imagine mo, you already served the client, pagkatapos niyan, 'di ba? 30 days daw o 60 days daw. Pagkatapos ng 30 days, hindi ka makasingil. Tapos sabi, ay wala pa yung signatory dito, and it drag. Baka umabot po ng 90 days and 'di ba? Baka instead na kumita ka, baka malugi ka pa. Kaya make sure lang before you even get into that business model na kung talagang are you up to it. That's number 1. Now, how do you promote? Paano tayo magpo-promote? The best way for you to promote for me is what we call word of mouth advertising. Ang pinaka word of mouth advertising, yung mga mismo, yung mga clients mo na, past clients mo na, sila ang magre-refer sa iyo. That's number 1. And most of the time, yung mga companies na yan, meron yung mga sister companies yan. Kabit-kabit yan. So the best way talaga is for you to, get for referrals. And the third, the most important thing for me is get testimonies. Testimonies from you can offer na, okay, can you share your testimonies and we'll give you, let's say, free, 'di ba? Free dessert and everything, 'di ba? Para makakuha ka ng testimonies and put it on social media. Kasi the best form of advertising, 'di ba? Wala namang restaurant or let's say owner nagsabi, "Oy, ang food namin di masarap, kaya huwag kayo umorder sa amin." 'Di ba? Everyone will say na masarap talaga, pero walang tatalo pagka ang mismo kliyente ang nagsasabi na okay yung food nyo, okay yung services nyo. Okay?
Alright.
Let's go to the second question, please.
Okay, second question. Given the fact, this is for our B2C segment naman, since this is a restaurant also. So, given the fact that we have already established a suitable menu for our repeat customers, what other strategies can you suggest that we can possibly apply to keep the excitement of our customers and have something to look forward to?
Alam mo, I me in doing business for 47 years, this is what I've realized. Ang parating tanong kasi ng kliyente is pag pumunta sa inyo is anong luma? Uy, ano yung lumang product nyo? Ano yung lumang... Di ba syempre parang sinasabi, anong bago? Di ba?
New products.
Yes, so you have to be creative. Kaya nga napakahalaga yung R&D, research and development ng organization nyo. You have to come out with new menu, or if not naman, new food, di ba? New items. I think that's number 1. And number 2, bundle, promos. Alam mo, ang tao talaga mahilig sa mga buy one something, di ba? You buy X amount and then you get free something. Di ba? Or if not naman, you can do, kasi ang minsan, ang tao medyo pag marami yung choices, naguguluhan sila. 'Di ba? They get confused. Mas maganda meron ka ng set menu or naka-bundle for 3 people, for 5 people, for 9 people, 'di ba? Instead of choosing one by one, they do the package. So it's easier for them to choose. Depends on their budget. 'Di ba? So these are the 3 things. Create new product, and then number 2, offer promos, and number 3, create bundles.
All right, I'm taking note.
Oh, good. Anyway, you can still watch this as a replay. So, let's go to the third question, please.
Actually, that's only my questions.
So, where's your business located? Promote nyo na lang, Ma'am Aimee.
Okay, so we're located here in Pasita 1, San Pedro, Laguna, along 18th Street. So we also do catering. Marami kaming caterings around Metro Manila as well. In fact, in 1 hour time, aalis na kami to go to Robinson's Las Piñas later to serve the MCI naman.
Wow.
So we have open house there with the MCI. So dun sa mga medyo malapit in the area and want to check out the latest project of the MCI, kami magsaserve ng food for their
Mga magkano yung package nyo, minimum to maximum, pag sa catering, mga magkano po?
For catering, we start at 750 per head, minimum of 30 packs.
30 packs, oo.
So, yung price, pag bababa siya kapag mas marami yung
volume.
Numbers. Yes, volume.
Okay. Ano pangalan ng catering nyo, Aimee, please? Anong Facebook account?
This is Cucina A Catering po. It's CUCINA Restaurant.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Aimee, for joining us. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you, Ma'am Aimee.
Thank you.